ni-stitch siyang video na tinanong yung work ni Miss Mia Khalifa. And yung sinagot niya is like, jewelry maker ba siya or designer? And yung mga lalaki, napakunot yung noo.
Ngayon sa Pinoy Extreme, pag-uusapan natin kung gaano ka-importante yung reputasyon ng isang tao. And kung paano nito na i-display yung ganong klaseng reputasyon kahit na matagal mo na siyang hindi ginagawa. This is Pinoy Extreme. Let's do this.
This is Pinoy Extreme.
Same na same dun sa pinost ni Miss Zenki. And hindi na ako nagbida-bida pa para i-call out yon. Dahil kahit sino namang mag-call out dun sa lalaking yon, parang hindi naman na talagang tumitino. But on this one, grabe. I'm so disappointed. Like, I'm a fan of Miss Zendy. And funny siya. Pero hindi ko lang akalain na pati ito magiging laughing matter for her.
When laughing at something doesn't make you automatically a bad person. That's why we have what we call dark humor. We could laugh about bad things without becoming a bad person.
Lalong-lalo na at babae siya. Alam mo yun, like, girls are supposed to uplift other girls. Lalong-lalo na if wala namang maling ginagawa sa'yo yung tao.
Well, girls doesn't automatically need to support other girls. Well, that's the misconception about it. Now, dito na papasok yung reputasyon. A lot of us, Filipinos, let's say, have a bad taste when it comes to being a porn star, being a sexy star. Well, because for one, we are still a conservative country. And yun na rin kasi yung problema pag ginawa mong trabaho, yung bastusin ka. Doon sa trabaho mo kasi na yun, hindi maiwasan ng mga tao na mag-reflect yung ganong klaseng trabaho sa personal na buhay. Medyo mahirap paghiwalayin yon, although at some point nagigets ko kung saan nanggagaling yung hinanakit ng mga tao, especially being a sex worker. But hindi kasi natin pwedeng i-impose lahat ng gusto natin na reaksyon or yung gusto nating maging reaksyon lang ng mga tao when it comes doon sa ginagawa natin. Kasi nga, our reputation precedes us. Yes, mahirap makabawi doon sa ganong klaseng pagkakamali. But the thing is, naging legendary kasi siya doon sa previous work niya. Kaya hirap siyang i-overshadow yung pagiging porn star niya and transferring or being better at a different work or job or career. Now, I believe that hindi pa nagtatapos yung pwede niyang magawa at pwede niya pang improve yung sarili niya at umalis doon sa image na yun. Although yung image na yun will be stuck forever until the end. So, what she could do is she could prove people wrong, keep on proving people wrong, that she can be great at other things too. And from there, hindi man mabura yung past niya, at least she had made a better future for herself. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.